Moshe 9 daruna kutungira kutoka je tumakura hapa cha 20.
A Gurwe serial rapist, Enimo Zvichwa, has been sentenced to 89 years in prison by Harare Magistrate Francis Mapumo after being convicted on 10 counts of rape, attempted murder and robbery.
Count 8 is sentenced to 7 years in prison.
Moshe 8 matungirwa daruna kutoka je tumakura hapa cha 7.
Count number 7 and count number 8 are going to understand.
Moshe 7 and Moshe 8 mchage kuchino zirikira hapa makore aya pamochete.
Count 9 you are sentenced to 20 years in prison.
Moshe 9 daruna kutoka je tumakura hapa cha 20.
Count 10 also sentenced to 20 years in prison.